Hello guys, this is Freightliner Cascadia 2019. If you just turn on your ignition and this thing happening with you, just wiper is turned on, any sleeper or amber light is not working, sign is on, check light is on, then what we need to do, just turn off your ignition, turn off your truck power main button, and now wait 10 to 15 minutes and then let's see is it fixed or not. Okay, after 10 minutes I am turning on the main power button and then I turn on the ignition. Very good. Lights are working. Now I am good to go. Check light is off.